Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to be talking about an SEO tool which is great for local businesses that are trying to find customers local to them. So let's get straight into it. First of all, you want to go to moz.com/local/search, and then you want to type in the name of your business. I'm just going to type in some random letters to find a local business, and yeah, so let's just see what I can find. Alright, so let's just click this one, Audi. So let's click it and then let it load. It's just searching for everything to do with your business and all the information, all the data it can find. Alright, so here we go. A local SEO score of 53%. And as you can see, it's got Google+, Facebook, Foursquare, Super Pages. It doesn't have an info group page. It's got Whois, Factual, and then there's City Search, Insider Pages. It doesn't have Best of the Web. It has Hotfrog. I'm not sure what that website's, it has this, but I'm not sure what this website's called, so I'm not going to try and pronounce it. And then we've got Yelp, and finally YP. If it's in the orange, it means you have some SEO work to do, but if it's in the red like this, it means you have a lot to do. So yeah, as you can see, some of these are good, some of them are bad, and obviously if it's completely grayed out, they don't even have a page on there. So yeah, that's that. And then it's got some reviews as well, so that's awesome. And then we've got, it shows the incomplete ones. So here we go, we have YP, we have Insider Pages, we have City Search, Facebook, Factual, Hotfrog, Best of the Web, and Info Group. And it says no listing is found on Best of the Web, no listing is found on Info Group. And then we have inconsistent, so we have Insider Pages, City Search, Foursquare, and so on and so on. So these pages need a lot more information. For example, this one needs a phone number. Most of them need a phone number. These ones don't have websites. So as you can see, there's just a little bits of information they need to add. It's quite important that they do add them. And then finally we have duplicates. So all of these are duplicated pages. So as you can see, this is a Google Plus page, which is just a duplicate. And then all of these are duplicated Google Plus pages. And then we have YP duplicated pages. And then Insider Pages, Super Pages, Yelp, and Local Ease. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, might be localized, I'm not sure. But yeah, these are all duplicated sites. And then if you want to pay, you can actually use Moz Local to improve your rankings locally. But I'm not going to do that, I'm just showing you the free tool and the free local SEO checker with moz.com. It's free, it's really quick to use, and it's really easy to find your business as well. All you need to do is go to moz.com/local. You could type in your business here, or you could click check listing just here, and then search for your business just here. So let's search for another random business. So Pa, and then we've got Panera Bread. I'm not sure if I've pronounced that right again, but I think I have. And then it's just looking for the data. And here we go. So this one's a lot better. It's got an 87% score. So look, all of these pages are 100%, and then some are 95, some are 93. This one's 76, and then these ones, they don't have a page. So this company has done very well with their local SEO. So that could get them a lot of new customers via local SEO, which is absolutely fantastic. The only one inconsistent page is Hotfrog, and that's just because they're missing their website. So that's easy for them to fix if they had this tool. So yeah, I'd definitely recommend using this free tool. Just do it a few times every year, and then you can see if your website is going well with local SEO. So that's that. It's easy to use, it's great, it's free, and I recommend it to everyone. I'll leave a link in the resources section of this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.